Welcome back guys to another vlog. We have a Honda City. Actually, ito yung Honda City. Yan. So, medyo masikip kasi doon. So, hindi ako nakapaglagay ng tripod doon. So, we have our co-owner ng Fitment na naka-air suspension. Shout out Fitment TV. So, welcome to another episode na Let's Modify. We have a Honda City. Alright? Honda City facelifted GM6 2018 pataas. So, we have a hexagon projector retrofit. Alright? Naka-seal na tayo. Tapos na. So, hindi ko na pinakita masyado yung trabaho. I just want you to see the finished product and i-explain natin kung bakit natin bibidyohan tong City. So, one of our best sellers in Chroma lights is actually the Honda City. We actually started Chroma lights sa platform ng Honda City GM. We worked our way to popularity using the Honda City platform. So, the Honda City is a very close at heart, kumbaga. Malapit sa puso namin ng Honda City. We are actually part of Honda City Club Philippines before. Shout out sa mga taga HECP dyan. Okay, GM6 Society, Tropa Balisong, okay? Ano ba? Kalimutan ko na. GM Squad. So lahat ng mga yan, kilala ko sila. And probably kilala nila ako. So, tapos na ito. Kakabit natin to. This is one of my favorite designs sa Honda City GM6 facelifted because it is actually a well-balanced build. We have a hexagon projector with a Hella G5 projector setup. Malakas ang output, pogi ang design. Kabit natin. Okay? Lipat tayo dun. Tinanggal na namin yung lumang stock fog lights na halogen. Pinalta namin ng projector fog lights which is actually installed already sa ilalim. So, ano ba mga kailangan natin sabihin sa Toyota 86. Toyota 86 kasi yung katabi. Yung ating Honda City GM6. Honda City GM6, fairly easy to access. Madaling gawin yung trabaho dito, maluwag. Sa ulo namin ang wiring ng GM6. Bakit namin sa ulo? It's because ito nga ang pinaka-best platform namin. The Honda City GM6 and GM. So we have the retrofit here. Ito ang ating low beam projector with high beam function. Mag-high beam ka nga. So makikita nyo yung low beam is mag-high low function yan. Bawasan natin ng konti ang ating ISO. Sige nga, isa pa. So may high beam function to. Ito naman yung projector fog lights natin with a high beam function. Low. Alright, and high beam. Low beam. Alright, pakita naman natin yung buga ng ilaw ngayon. So as you can see, ito yung fog light niya. Fog light pa lang yan. And ang ganda na nung cut-off niya. Fog light lang yan, ha. Together, you have a combined 4 low beam outputs. High beam nga, papi. And as you can see, yan ang high beam niya. Very bright. And ang maganda dito kasi, kahit sobrang liwanag ng buga ng ilaw niya, wala ka masyadong nilagay na auxiliary lights. Lahat ng stock na ilaw, na nilalagyan ng ilaw, doon natin nilagay yung upgrade natin. So, yan siya ngayon. Patay. Mamaya, ibubuga natin yan sa proper throw niya na malayo. Tingnan natin kung gaano kaliwanag siya. Okay? So, pakita naman natin yung design. So, it's a bit bright, so we're gonna tone down the ISO para makita nyo. Yan. Beautiful. Okay? So, we have a hexagon retrofit right here. Hex halos with the devil eyes. Specialty namin tong hex. Kami lang ang mayroong hexagon na maayos so far. Kami kasi ang nagpa-fabricate niyan talaga with our factory sa ibang bansa. Nakipag-coordinate tayo for the best results. So, third signal, kanan, kaliwa rather. So, it has a dual color white amber switchback function. So, switchback siya. Ibig sabihin, bumabalik to white. Third signal ulit. Okay. Done. Okay. Change color nga ng devil eyes, please. And the devil eyes is multicolor. Okay. Isa pa. One more. Sige pa. Isa pa. Another one. And last one. Okay. 6 colors lang siya. So, that's it. Yun yung design natin. And yun yung output natin. So, hope you like that demo. So, we're gonna crank up the ISO back. Medyo maliwanag, as you can see. Sorry, guys. Ayan. Alright, guys. So, hope you like that. Yun na yung Honda City natin. Tapos na. So, build time is 7 hours. 12 p.m. to 7 p.m. And so, ang masasabi ko lang sa build na to, ito na siguro ang pinaka best bang for your buck. Ang linis ito. Yun lang gusto ko masabihin. It's very clean. I like the output. I like the, sabi ko nga na start ng video, I'm a big fan of the city platform kasi diyan kami nagsimula talaga. So, gagawin natin ngayon, pa-photoshoot lang namin. Then, lalabas natin doon, bibidyohan natin yung output doon sa labas as we wait for the client. And then that's it. We're going to finalize it and thank you for watching in advance. Pero hindi pa pala natin tatapusin mamaya. So, alright. Tapusin lang natin to. Videohan ko lang, picturean ko lang. Ito tayo ngayon sa harap ng shop. Tamang-tamang timing. Kitang-kita yung buga ng ilaw. So yan yung output, lahat yan naka-low beam lang. So kanina nakita niyo yung low beam function. Ngayon, ito yung full high beam niya. 6 na high beam yan total. Headlights, fog lights, pati yung stock high beam niya. So as you can see, the output is really, really powerful. So, yan na siya ngayon. Ang lakas niya. Okay? So you can actually see the highway now. Yan yung output niya. Use it conservatively. Okay? With responsibility. Hindi porket malakas ang ilaw, edi magbabasas tayo ng kasalubong. So, pinapakita lang natin, sino-showcase lang natin yung output natin ngayon. So, yun. Alis na si Sir. Nakapag-transact na kami. And the build is finished. So, thank you for watching. It's been Cal from Chroma Lights TV. Hope you can subscribe to this channel, support the team, and you can see more videos like this. See you guys in the next episode. Bye.